And there is something about the UFO's behavior that makes investigators think that this is not simply a balloon blowing in the breeze.
O objeto tem conjunto de evoluções e de paragens, portanto, ele movimenta-se, mas também tem momentos em que está estacionário.
But the most interesting thing is that it hovered in the same position for a very long time. Now, a weather balloon tends to go up or be carried by the wind. Anybody knows that. If you let a balloon out, it will just be taken away. This one stayed there for a very long time.
So what was this object? Appearing to be solid and metallic, maneuvering at low altitude above the town. Researchers finally turned their attention to the military.
The other possibility, of course, is that this was some form of drone. Drones are universally known as unmanned aerial vehicles used by the military to carry out a whole range of intelligence gathering operations.
Chris Yates is an aviation analyst who sees similarities between the Alfena UFO and unmanned aerial vehicles.
UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, are highly maneuverable. They can be moved to any given position that you have a desire to monitor.
Yates believes that an untrained eye could be confused if confronted with a military drone.
UAVs are some of the strangest aircraft flying. We're talking about aerial vehicles that don't conform necessarily to the shapes that we've all become accustomed to in terms of aircraft and helicopters. So it would have come as a surprise to villagers to see one of these things hovering over, manoeuvring around.
In 1990, there were 7 NATO air bases in Portugal. Investigators wanted to know whether a drone or a UAV had been flown over Alfena that day.
Foi possível na altura também contactarmos a Força Aérea Portuguesa, no sentido de tentarmos saber se em território português